Yo, what's going on, my favorite YouTubers? It's your boy AlterTech, back again with another video. And today we'll be talking about Mint Mobile. Now, rumors say that Mint Mobile will be giving customers more data for the same price. Now, my source for this is going to be slickdeals.com as usual. Now, first off, I would like to thank the OP, which is Soloma, for posting this deal. Now, let me just go ahead and explain to you guys what's going on. Alright, so I've been using Mint Mobile for about, I'd say about 2 or 3 years now, back when it was Mint SIM. So they've had the name change Mint Mobile for some reason. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe there was some confusion. Alright, so I've been using this with my Google Pixel for quite some time. And let me just go ahead and run a speed check. Now, Mint Mobile, it's a MVNO that uses, well, if you know what an MVNO is, it stands for a mobile virtual network operator. So it's basically smaller companies that actually rent the network from companies like Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, or Verizon. Now, Mint Mobile runs on the T-Mobile network, and if you guys don't know, that network uses GSM. So basically, instead of CDMA, you have GSM. So usually with GSMs, you can actually swap your phones easily. Basically, you just pop open the SIM card and you just place it into a different phone and you can start using that. So that's pretty cool and it's pretty convenient. I know networks like Sprint and Verizon, they actually use CDMA, and with CDMA, they actually have your phone's IMEI number and they actually lock on to that number. So if you want to switch, you got to call up Sprint or Verizon and then make them do the swap through the servers. Now, as for the plans, now this company, it pretty much survives on consumers buying plans in bulks. So you can either buy a plan, 3-month service, a 6-month service, or a 12-month service. And you have 3 options. You can either get a 2 GB plan, a 5 GB plan, or a 10 GB plan. Now, for the call quality, I gotta say it's pretty good, especially for a MVNO. It's really good. I haven't had any experiences with dropped calls. Call quality is pretty good. There is Wi-Fi calling, so if I'm home, I'm definitely pretty much guaranteed to get good quality service. And as for the internet speeds, there's 2 things I want to talk about. There's times where there's heavy traffic, and when there's heavy traffic, you're going to be deprioritized. So when the network is not congested, or maybe at night or after rush hour, you could get between 7 and 20 megabits per second. That's been on my experience. Depending where you live, you could either get higher speeds or lower speeds. But when there's a lot of traffic on a network, you'll get probably under 3 megabits per second. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this test over again. So right now it's about 3 o'clock in New Jersey. And right now it's probably like the beginning of rush hour. So it looks like we're getting some good speeds right now. So this is actually faster than my home Wi-Fi network. Alright, just for evidence, I am just going to pull this up just to show you guys I am on the Mint network. So let's go ahead and open up that test. Yeah, so the test, we're getting about 21.63 megabits per second, and uploads, we're getting about 7.45 megabits per second, which is pretty damn good. So, alright, I'm just going to put that down to the side. And what else I want to talk about? Well, the website, it's pretty good. It's pretty straightforward. You have a lot of options to choose from. It's pretty easy to navigate. And when it comes to these companies, customer service pretty much goes downhill. Okay, so one of the drawbacks from using a MVNO is that you're going to suffer when it comes to customer service. You're not going to get that first-class customer service from T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon. You're going to pretty much be talking to maybe chatbots, and you might have to wait longer than usual. Alright, so when Mint Mobile first came out, their customer service was a bit iffy. You actually had to wait like a few minutes to actually get a hold of someone, but based on my experiences now, they actually have a bigger, which is pretty cool. When it comes to, taking care of a phone plan and checking your usage and adding on features, you could pretty much do everything by yourself with the website, which is pretty straightforward. And like I said, customer service is pretty decent and it has been improved. Now let's just go ahead and talk about the plans. Now a quick shout out to Soloma for this update again. Now here we go. Now instead of 2 gigabytes, you're going to be getting 3 gigabytes. Instead of 5, you'll be getting 8. Instead of 10, you'll be getting 12 gigabytes. So it works out like this. If you want to buy 3 months, it comes out to $25 per month. Altogether, it's $75. So the more gigabytes you buy, the more expensive it's going to be. But the longer your commitment, the cheaper it works out. For example, for 3 gigabytes, if you commit for 3 months, you get it for about $25 a month. For 6 months, you save $5, so it's $20 a month. And for 12 months, you save another $5, so it's only $15 per month. So for $180, for 3 gigabytes per month, you're only paying $180. Now for 12 months and for 8 gigabytes per month, you'll end up paying $240, which turns out to be $20 per month. And now for 12 gigabytes per month, which is for the heavy user, you could probably get that for just $300 or for $25 per month. It really is the best deal out there. So that's why I've been using this for quite some time. It saved me a ton of money, and I don't mind paying up front. You just pretty much, pay $300, and you don't have to worry about that for the rest of the year. You're set. And if you ever run out of data, you can always go ahead and add some more through the website. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. And another thing, you're paying for 4G LTE. Now, when you run out of 4G LTE, you'll be using slower speeds. And based on my experiences, those speeds could drop to under 0.5 megabits per second, which is really slow. So once your data is up, it's not like they're going to cut you completely off with data. You still can use your data, but it's just going to be really slow. So this is only when you go over your limits. So I do recommend Mint Mobile. Now, if you guys are interested, I do have a trial SIM card. I think I do have 2, so I could probably give away 2 of these, and you guys could try them out for yourselves and let me know what you guys think. I'll be doing a giveaway video coming up soon. I know I passed about 200 subscribers, and right now I'm about over 250. So huge shout out and thank you guys for subscribing. It means a lot to me. Met a lot of cool people, and I'm really grateful to actually meet you guys. I thank you guys for all your support and everything. So that's that. Mint Mobile, I definitely recommend it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This is Altered Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.